Hello, my name is Aloisio Soares. I play center back. I played last season in Académica of Coimbra in Portugal. I'm from Brazil. I like pizza, I like football, I like beach, so I come here to enjoy Makassar and do my best. The coach asked me if I can join PSM, so I asked my friend Everton, and he told me it's a good club, it's the oldest club here, never go to the second division, so I come here to play here and enjoy. After Everton, I call Everton, I do some research and I see it's a great club coming here, and a great idea to come here for this club. I see it's a great club, so I don't have other thing to say. So I think it's the oldest, like I said before. So I will do my best to help the team to go be better than the season. So I think we're gonna do that. It's center back because I always played there. So, but like I said to coach, I can do other position too. But it's his decision. His decision, yes. I like to listen to some music. I like to talk with my family so I can distract me. Before the game, before the match. So, but when I go, I put my clothes to play. It's always in the game. I think in the game, I think there's nobody in the stadium, so I can focus on the game. So everything around me, so it's nothing for me. I always focus in the game, so that's not a problem to me. Hello everyone. So thank you for welcoming here. Everybody say that on Instagram, so I'm here to do my best. Eu fico feliz em vir para aqui, PSM. Obrigado pelos todos os apoios que vocês estão me dando. Vamos com tudo em busca dos nossos objetivos. Ewako. I forgot that. I forgot that. Better positions. Yeah, better than last season. Okay, yes, okay. I forgot that again.